We are...
Getting filmed all day today.
No. Really big day. What's happening in Danford Lane?
Yeah, big important day. We've got all the excavations are all dug out now, been passed off by building control. And we've got our concrete pump that's just arrived. We've got seven full loads of concrete going in today.
So what kind of equipment is necessary for a job like this, Billy?
Okay, so we've got our poker machines there. They go into the concrete once the lots get poured. They out-vibrate it, compact it, lads are on the rakes, and then obviously our datum points are pulled off the laser levels. So I know I said 7 trucks, but we are halfway through. It's hard to gauge it. We're hoping for 7, but I think it could be 8.
We've come to the end of the day. How's it all gone?
Yeah, so it's been a long day. Got to work over. We thought we was gonna have 7 concrete trucks. Looks like we're gonna have to have 8. But the main thing is we've got it done.